Alright, this is the F2C 6-in-1 combo 360 degrees press, and I'm pretty sure everybody's wondering what it's going to be like. So am I. Very anxious. Bad thing is I can't hold it in video, so got a small problem. Okay, I cut the box open, as you can see, and this is what you see in the box. Wonderful new information on how to use this press. Let's see what happens if you open it up. Ah, wrong way. Okay, maybe it's this way. Alright, there we go. Yeah. I'm trying to hold this in one hand and operate this stuff, and as you can see, the direction got kind of a little bit miffed there. Alright, enough of that. Set the directions over here on the desk. Okay, take this. This is your plate. You can use this for more than just a plate, but that is the plate press. Two of them. They're covered with Teflon. Lay that out of the way for right now. Okay, and here is the handy dandy cap press to press caps with. Now I must say that the construction feels pretty solid. Everything looks good. It's got some heavy duty wire for the connections stuff, so that's all good. Set this out of the way. Set that out of the way. Alright, and here's the turns for everything. These are actually the feet, I bet you. Alright, and now this is the mug press, and you can see it comes with two presses already in there. You actuate it like that. Okay, go ahead and move this out of the way. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. And this is the control head for it, so obviously there's going to be some assembly required. Alright. Unbox this baby. There we go. Alright. I might have to pause this because this would be just too much for one hand. Well, no, it won't be too much for one hand. And as you can see, that's it. Move the box out of the way. Now this is the ugliest carpet you will ever see. But don't hate me. Don't hate me, for I'm beautiful. Alright. Alright. That is your press. Alright. It's very compact, as you can see. Pull the lever up. Just trying to give everybody a really good look at it from all angles. Alright. And there's the hand held. Yeah. Comes up and down pretty easy. Alright, that's it. That's the unboxing. This is the F2C, which stands for Factory to Customer, as I recall. 6-in-1 combo heat press. And you saw the parts that comes with it. So I'm going to try to put it together. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel.